my latest drugstore skincare purchases, plus a 49-cent secret wonder product. Hello beautiful people, my name is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel we cover everything from makeup to meditation to fashion to whatever makes you feel more fabulous at any age. So hey, why don't you push that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. Thanks so much. Okay, so today I'm just going to do a quick little video on some of my latest drugstore skincare finds. Then I'll share with you a 49-cent item that I found multiple uses for, including treating under eye bags and whitening teeth. First thing I'm going to talk about are these two items. This is the Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Lotion Crepe Corrector Age Defense, and this is Nivea Gel Cream Skin Firming and Toning. This has Q10 and l-carnitine. These two items I found working together have done wonders for making my skin on my arms and legs, stomach, décolletage, all come out a lot smoother. What I do with this, it's very similar to the much more expensive Crepe Erase. This was about $10 at Walmart. And what I do is after bathing at night, I just slop it on, put it all over my arms, my legs, my décolletage, my stomach, anywhere that I feel my skin is getting dry and crepey. And I do it right after getting out of the bathtub or shower. And this one, I'll do a little bit before going to bed at night and then a little bit more in the morning. I got this because it was considered to be a substitute for something that several YouTubers have recommended, which is also by Nivea, but it's a serum and it's much more concentrated that's supposed to help with under your neck and under your eyes, places that are sensitive skin and often get wrinkles as you get older. This is not nearly as concentrated, but it's really good for the whole body. Anywhere that your skin gets crepey, gets a little less smooth, if you have cellulite, just doing this, it's not a miracle cure, but repeated use, and you'll notice a subtle difference. So these are my two sort of go-to products for general younger looking skin. And this one, I just saw a video by Beth, 50 Plus Beauty, I think is her channel, and she demonstrated using it on crow's feet. I had never heard of this product before, but I decided I had to have it. So I looked around, Walmart didn't have any in stock. I found it at Walgreens. And I'll show you the demonstration of exactly how I use this. Okay, I think this is my most amazing drugstore find. I heard about this from another YouTuber. I'm going to put a link to her video below. But this is called Restore Sudden Change Under Eye Firming Serum. Now, it says to put this on without any moisturizer or any makeup on. I cheated a little bit. When I first woke up this morning, I put a little bit of caffeine under my eyes, and then I put a sunscreen over my face. The rest of my face, I use a little vitamin C serum as well. I did not use any cream moisturizers. And then what you do with foundation, the instruction is to put 2 drops of serum in the palm of your hand, add 1 dot of foundation, and mix with finger. Use fingertips, smooth on from inner to outer corner of your under eye area. Once applied, keep face still. Do not frown or smile until completely dry. About 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to do this right now. The foundation I'm going to use with this is this Bye Bye foundation, which is sort of a moisturizing foundation. I don't know whether that's going to alter the formula or not, but we'll try. Put 2 drops in the palm of my hand. Oh, one thing interesting, this is the size of the bottle, and this is the size of the box. Slightly deceptive packaging, maybe. But let's just see if it works. If it works, it's worth the price. It's a lot cheaper than some of the other alternatives that supposedly do the same thing. So just 1 drop of foundation. Okay. And mix it with my finger. And then I'm just going to tap it under my eye. Okay, something else I did, I put a few drops of concealer right in the inner corner where I have more discoloration. Blended them in and let them completely dry before doing this. Okay, you're supposed to wait, keeping your face still for about 3 minutes. I'm going to do that now. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. And yeah, the lines, the bags, they're pretty much gone. Well, the instructions say not to put any moisturizer on top either, because that can lessen the effect. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back and finish this video. Okay, now what I found, it's very similar to a lot of other products, but it is more of an oil, and it mixes better with a moisturizing oil-based foundation than do other things. So you can actually blend it with your foundation and smooth it under your eyes. A few warnings though, if you put powder on top, you will get some flakiness. Also, if you put moisturizer on top, it'll lose its effect. So you really have to, you can experiment with the formula. What I tried is putting a little bit of concealer first, letting it dry. I did find it works. I've done it about 3 different times if you do your foundation first. Today in the video, I had not done my foundation, and when I put it on afterwards, I found out I had to actually touch up again a little bit more. So what I found is you do the rest of your foundation, leave this area blank, then mix this with the foundation. Rub it in here, and it's a technique to just a mixture of tapping and rubbing to get it in without any crusting or flaking, or without it actually settling into your lines. But it is a good firming serum. It lasts longer than a lot of the others I've tried. Since I've got a lot of events coming up, I'm really going to be using this a lot right now. Okay, so those are my main drugstore items. Now, what is this 49-cent secret? It's something you probably already have in your cabinet. And actually, if you get the name brand, the Arm & Hammer, it's maybe $1. But this, I found at Lidl, baking soda. What I've done with this, 2 different uses, and I had to experiment. You may have to experiment yourself to find out what works best for you. What worked best for me for the under eye treatment is I'll take 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of water, mix it together, and then just with my fingers, pat it right in the area under your eyes. It doesn't really do anything for wrinkles. In fact, if you leave it on too long or you put it on too much of your face, it can be drying. But it does really help with puffiness. And particularly, as it's getting to be allergy season, you know, and plus if you drink a lot of caffeine, as I do, you may find you're getting puffiness under your eyes. This really helps. What I've found best, using it about twice a week. And the other use, generally after I mixed it and I've done it on my face, I'll dip my toothbrush in it and use it on my teeth. And it does really help whiten your teeth with repeated use. Again, you don't substitute your regular toothpaste for this because it is basically sodium. It doesn't have any of the ingredients to actually make your teeth harder or, you know, deep cleansing. But after doing your regular toothbrush, just do it on the fronts of your teeth. And if you do it repeatedly, like every day or every other day for a while, you will notice your teeth getting whiter. Okay, so these are my tips for today. This is just a short little video. If you enjoyed it, can you please give us a thumbs up? Also, again, if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.